Nesting habit. Today we are going to learn about the nesting habit of the birds. Page number 29. A nest is a home built by a bird. Bird builds nest using leaves, straws, twigs, wools, cotton, and thread. Birds make nest when they have to lay eggs. Nest keeps them and their young ones safe from enemies and bad weathers. Different birds make different types of nest. Woodpecker. A woodpecker make a deep hole inside the trunk of a tree using its strong sharp beak. It uses his holes as a nest and lines it with fine strips of wood. Bulbul. A bulbul makes its nest in bushes. The nest is shaped like a deep cup. The cup-shaped nest protects the eggs and the baby birds and keep them from falling out. Here in a picture of a woodpecker's nest. Make a tree, make a hole in a tree, and this is a nest of a bulbul, a cup-shaped house of a bird, bulbul. Tailor bird. A tailor bird sweeps leaves together. A tailor bird collect two leaves and it is sweep with each other. A tailor bird sweeps leaves together with its sharp beak. To make nest, the bird stitches the leaves together using straw and thread and fills it with wool and grass. Beaver's birds. A beaver's bird weaves its nest out of grass, fine strips of palm or banana leaves, and the nest hang down from the branches of a tree and opening its left at the lower end for the parent's bird to enter. The nest of the beaver's birds is supposed to be the best and is used a decorative pieces. Here and a nest of a beaver's birds. It is like it is hanging from a tree. And this is a nest of a tailor bird. Stitches two leaves together. Owl. An owl makes its nest in the holes of a tree or a hollow hole shapes in on the wall. It also use an old building for these purposes. An owl make their house in a old house's hole. Here in a picture of a owl's house nest. Cuckoo. A cuckoo usually does not make a nest. Cuckoo does not make does not make home. It likes to lay its eggs in the nest of other birds, such as a crow. The cuckoo use the lay their eggs on the nest of a crow. Some interesting facts about bird. The eyes of ostrich are the large of any animals that lives on land. Approximately the size of a wildebeest's was, their eyes are actually bigger than the brain. The ostrich eyes bigger than their brains. Their brains. The duck usually sleeps in groups. While sleeping, the duck on the ostrich outside of the circle keep one side of their brain awake even as they do so that other animals won't be able to attack them. The average hummingbird is around 4 grams. The average of a hummingbird around 4 grams, while the smallest The bee hummingbirds is close to 1.6 gram, less than the weight of a penny. Most parrots can learn around 15 words. Care of the young birds. Do you know how the mother and the father birds take care of their babies? The mother birds lay eggs in their nest and sit on them, and the father birds looks after the nest. Among some birds, both the father and mother birds sit on eggs alternatively. They do so till the egg cells cracks or hatches and the baby birds come out. At that time, the birds babies have no feathers and have their eyes closed, so to keep the birds babies warm on off. The parents warms the babies by clutching over them and covering them with its wings. In this way, they are also protect from bad weather, and the mother birds first make the food soft and then pushes into the baby mouth slowly. The babies are fed well and they grow very fast once they get their feathers and are strong enough. The father and mother birds teach them how to fly and find out for themselves. The young ones, after pass their time chasing over picking or flying with one another. The birds take good care of their babies. In spite of such care of their babies, only one third of the young birds hatches at one time. Lives. Other, others die due to bad weathers or diseases, and some are eaten by other animals like hawk, kite, etc. Always remember, a bird never visits its nest again if someone touches or disturb it. So take care, student, and read this lesson carefully. Thank you.